Introducing Bone and Heart Support Capsules, the all-in-one solution for a healthy body. Say goodbye to weak bones and a vulnerable heart with our powerful formula. These capsules are specially designed to support the strength and health of your bones and heart. Packed with essential nutrients, they promote strong bones and help reduce the risk of fractures. Our unique blend also contains ingredients that support cardiovascular health and improve heart function. With Bone and Heart Support Capsules, you can proactively take care of your body and maintain overall wellness. Don't let age or a sedentary lifestyle hold you back. These capsules are here to provide the necessary support. Our capsules are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply take them with a glass of water. You no longer have to worry about consuming multiple supplements to meet your bone and heart health needs. Experience the convenience of all-in-one support with Bone and Heart Support Capsules. Feel confident knowing that you are taking proactive steps to protect your bones and heart. By supporting your bone health, you can enjoy an active and fulfilling life, free from limitations. Take control of your heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems with our capsules. Add Bone and Heart Support Capsules to your daily regimen and watch your health improve. Click the link below and order your supply now. Also, please do me a huge favor by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. May God bless you with great health and wealth always.